All right, Chris, it's a new month. We got to give away something new. It's getting hot in here, starting to warm up. What should we do?
Oh, I've got something for you.
Holy shit!
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. Have we got an amazing giveaway for you this month? But first, Vito, what are we drinking?
Yeah, so we got Lager at World's End from Epidemic Ales in Concord. Sean, their brewer, is a friend of ours. We actually just did a video last week going over this kit and visiting Epidemic, talking about all their stuff. So it's a nice American lager, delicious, perfect for this time of year. We also have a kit out, so you can go brew it yourself. Check it out. Hey, we're here at Epidemic Ales in Concord, California. We're going to talk about their American Light Lager that won a gold medal at JBF, that we have a MoreBeer kit coming out. We're also going to talk about the state of the beer industry and taste some of the amazing beers they have on tap here. Cheers.
Thanks for all the comments last month. Here are last month's comment winners. Winner 1, right here.
And winner number 2, right here.
All right, and last but not least, the big winner of the White Labs for a year is Steve M. in Wisconsin.
Congratulations, you got a year's supply of White Labs yeast.
And of course, you have more chances to win gift cards, so comment below for your chance to win this month.
And speaking of winning, we always do a coupon code at the end of the video that's good all month long. We're gonna do another one this month, and it's gonna help with those kind of summertime parties, so stick around to check out that coupon code and see what the deal is.
It's time for another monthly giveaway.
That's right, this month we are giving away your choice of the BrewBuilt Icemaster Series Glycol Chiller. These things are amazing. Vito, kind of go over the basics.
Yeah, so I've got this exact same unit at home, the Max 2. Just brewed two batches of beer, had 2 in the fermenter. It's amazing for 2 fermenters, but you have your choice of either the Max 2, the Max 4, or the Icemaster 100. So you could have up to 4 fermentations going. Glycol's the way to go. It's just a best way to chill. Love these units, and you could win one. So that's pretty epic. All right, so go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday to enter our monthly giveaway and get yourself, there's multiple ways to enter, get yourself chances to win one of these awesome Glycol chillers.
All right, so this month we are gonna be having some great videos drop. First one will be about how to choose which one, the 3 different models, why you might want one versus another. Another video we're gonna put out is how to hook them up, how to set them up, how much glycol to put in, how to set the bath temp controller versus the actual controllers that control your fermentation. Great information, and it'll help you choose.
All right, well, thanks for sticking around. As promised, we've got a deal for you running all month long. We're gonna do 20% off VineCo Wine Kits. Another just kind of cool beverage to have around, really easy to make. There's some awesome ones in there, like kind of mixed drink sparkling ones that are just great for like summer poolside. So you get 20% all month long using the coupon code on Free Beer Friday page. So go there to check it out.
We've got a great video on how easy it is to make VineCo kits. So if you're interested, click this link above. Cheers, here's to a month of chilling.
Let's chill.